Hello my students, how are you? Grade 1. Today we explain lesson number 2, topic 6, collect and present data. You can collect information and organize it data about numerical data and categorical. What is your favorite activity outside? Ask your classmate to choose the answer. About this, you can ask your friend in your class and put here the tally to find the answer. You can ask your friend in class jump rope and basketball and right back. The answer will be here 5. This is 5 plus 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here 3. Which activity is the least votes? Here it will be right back. Which activity has the most votes? It will be basketball. Look at this question now. We have tell here about basketball and soccer and basketball, baseball. We can write 3 or this. You can use picture graph or use survey questions to find the answer. This picture graph refers to the number of the students. About score, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or the tally. 2 steps. You can also draw the sign like this about TV and can draw the number of birds about the pictures. You can draw pictures or tally sign. Next question. Use the data in the tally chart to make a picture graph. Then answer the question like this. About games, we have 7. You can draw about 7 games here and paint 3. Draw 3 things behind it and read. We have 6. Which activity is the favorite activity for it? Will be games. The favorite here is the most. How many students choose read? We can write count here to be 6. 6 students. Higher order thinking. Look at the picture graph and you made 2 items. Write 2 sentences that are true about the data. We have 16 students in all. We can collect all the students. We have up was here 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 6 equals 16. The total number of students will be 16 students. Next page, like this, you can find the answer about students. Gina asks her friend survey questions and she makes a tally chart to show their favorite music instrument. Use her data to make a picture graph. We can write the number of students which like guitar was 5, and number of students like drum 3, and flute will be 4. Higher order thinking. How many students voted in all? The total will be 12 students. Write an equation to show your answer. 12 equal 5 plus 3 equal 8, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 4 equal 12. Assessment practice. Which musical instrument has the most votes? To be guitar the most. Look at here, guitar was the most. The most number here will be 5. And next question down here, ask about how many students choose flute. We can count here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 students. Next lesson, next page. Lesson number 3, topic 6. Interpret data. You can arrange all information about this table, about this information from table like this and combine. The corn here repeated what? Count with me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's repeated 5. And the bees repeated what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. We can draw here chart and write the answer down. You can check the answer, but corn it will be 5, 6, 7, and here bees was 5. And draw the vertical or picture. You can use this material chart or picture. Next question. How many more students like milk than juice? You can find the difference between together. The result will be 3. Okay, about this question. Look at here, milk and juice. Milk was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and juice was 3. 6 minus 3 equal 3. How many fewer students like water than milk? Water and milk, subtract between them equal, we have water and milk. The difference between 6 minus 1 is 5. How many more students like juice than water? Juice or 3. 3 minus 1 equal 2. What other information do you know about students like drink juice? Drink at lunch, the student like juice and milk more than water. Next, you can complete with me this. The number of red was 5 or 4, and blue 7. How many more students like purple than red? To be 4 more students. Which color is the favorite of the most students? Here it will be purple. Repeated 8. We have now 2 students who changes their vote from blue to red. Use this question to determine how many fewer students like red than purple. We can 2 plus 6 equal 8, then we have fewer 2 students. Okay, from the figure you can complete this by yourself. You draw here. You can do red with 1, 2, 3, 4, and blue 7, 7 here, and purple draw 8. Higher order thinking. Write and answer a question about the data in the picture. How many fewer students like red than blue? 3 students. Solve each problem below. You can count the number of how many. Okay, count with me dogs first. We have here how many dogs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dogs. Cats 3 and fish 2. How many more? It means the difference between the number of fish and dogs. How many more friends have dogs and fish? Dogs was 6. 6 subtract by 2. 6. Okay, 6 subtract by 2 equal 4. Right, 4. How many fewer friends have cats than dogs? Cats were 3 and dogs was 6. 6 and fish. 6 minus 2 or 7. We have here the cats. Where cats was 3 and fish. Okay, how many fewer friends have cats than dogs or fish? We can eat together dogs and fish. Dogs and fish will be what it will be. We have 6 and 3 9. 3 6 plus 3 9 and subtract 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 3 5. Okay, this example, and I will solve the example again. First we can collect the number of, look at here, cats and dogs and fish. First dogs, the number of dogs 6, the number of fish 2, and then subtract by the number of cats 3. 6 plus 2 8, 8 minus 3 equal 5. The difference between them will be 5. How many friends have fish? 4 pets. Fish, and we have fish 2 and pets. Okay, how many friends have fish? 4 pets? 2. Okay, the number will be 2. Higher order thinking. Look at the tally chart in the theme. How many friends have pets? Write an equation to show your work. We have 9. You can collect all the numbers. Okay, look at the tally chart in item 9. How many friends have pets? Write an equation to show your work. You can collect 6 plus 3 plus 2. 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. The total number will be 11. Which question can't be answered by looking at the prop item 10? How many friends have hostamers? We have hostamers here in this question.